Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a Hello Kitty. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw the head. For that, draw a U shape and connect it with a curve. And now let's draw the ears. Now bow. After that, let's draw the eyes, nose, whiskers. Now let's draw the body. And then hands and feet. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.